Following is an assortment of instructions and quick fixes and ways to check out dispensers and ice makers. Older people and people that are not too handy have a difficult time replacing the water filter in their refrigerator. They also have troubles when they buy an aftermarket filter on Amazon that's not the factory original. The aftermarket filters cause leaks because they don't seal properly. Customers have to let go of their $40 and buy the original part. It takes a fair amount of hand strength and resolution to change a water filter on a fridge. Older people have a problem because their wrists aren't strong enough and call just to have that simple thing performed. A great many Whirlpool ice makers have 4 wires coming to the ice maker. 2 of them, the brown and the black, can be shorted together to make the water valve function.
It's pretty easy to test the water valve. We short the black and the brown wires together like this. See the water coming out.
Now I want you to get a picture of me banging on this thing.
Okay.
Ready? You got my hand in there?
No,
My
not
hand?
yet. What? Oh yeah, just. Oh yeah, higher.
And you see, ready?
Yeah. Whoa.
That's how you put it
That
together.
was a whack.
That's how you do it. Water lines in the freezer door often freeze up when folks go away or the refrigerator just is not used for several weeks. This can be corrected in several ways. One, of course, is just to raise the freezer temperature 4 or 5 degrees and wait 3 or 4 days. The second is to put a heating pad on the freezer door and warm it up a little bit, and then it'll come back to life. The third is to turn the whole refrigerator off and let the whole thing warm up and thaw out. So explain those to the customer, and hopefully once it's thawed, if they start to use it regularly, it won't freeze back up. So here's a little experiment with Icemaker where the water line is frozen in the door. Water comes out fine. We disconnected the line underneath the door to test the hypothesis that it's frozen within the door. And it is. The 1/4 inch line to the ice maker and water dispenser on a refrigerator is a frequent source of water leaks. Here is one example. It's quite obvious that they need a new water valve on this refrigerator. So I want to take it